to another video. Today we have 4th of July sale at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make better review videos just the way you traverse the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so we got a 10% off coupon. It says 4th of July sale, no exclusions. Everyone saves Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Obviously, today Friday is almost over, so you guys still have 3 days. Big weekend here. You got enter coupon code 21437780 at checkout. So that's the code you guys have to give them. It says limit 1 coupon per customer per day, save 10%. Any single guys, you didn't hear me say this, but you could probably walk back in, later, and get another one. Or just have the wifey or son or daughter just go with you and purchase an item separately. You cannot be combined with any other discounts, promotions, or coupons. Cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club membership, extended service plan, gift card, open box item, instant savings, not valid period. Okay. So no exclusions means that there's some exclusions. But yeah, you can use this pretty much on all the newer tools. You can use this on the winches, on the pliers. And this is the solar panels, lights. You can use them on the pretty much anything, guys. The Dental tools did have a good idea that you could use it on the new boxes. The new, what is it called? Well, if you can find these in stock, you guys could use it on these. You can use it on that nailer, on this Jackery power station. You can use it on that. I mean, there's a lot of stuff you guys could use it on. Actually, he said you could use them on the safes. So even these, the welders, you could use it on a whole lot of things. So there's a lot of new tools out there that you could use. Oh, here's the box. This is the box that he was saying you could use the Dental tools. Go ahead and check out his channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. Alright, so Union Safe Company 24 gun resistant combination safe, $5.99. So they'll take 10%, like $60. So that's a pretty good deal, guys. If you can find this at your store and get it for $540, that's a hell of a deal right there. That's a really good deal. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of good stuff. I mean, you could get all the power tools, all the chainsaws. I mean, pretty much everything that they have in the store with this 10% off. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.